eMaint is kind of like an all-in-one type of deal. So you have your asset management, but then you have your work order management, your service or your tickets orders in one place as well. Before, we were using a few different systems. eMaint has made it a lot easier from what I can see. We have about 9 workflow categories and about 400 rules or commands. And with these rules and commands, they're attached to different notifications, they're attached to different auto population actions for asset information, and just certain automated features in terms of like closing and opening work orders and things of that nature. We have around 3,000 assets in eMaint. We have over 500 end users. Monthly is help bridge a gap between our physics team and our engineering team, which keeps us in compliance with state officials. My favorite thing about eMaint is the way that all the tables are connected. I like that I can get to different information from each table, but it all kind of intertwines together. It makes my life a lot easier for how I want the data to be displayed or what types of data I want in the report, instead of having to download an exhaustive Excel sheet and just slice it up and dice it up and filter it to show what I needed to show. So I would definitely say 2 favorite things: the reporting tools, and then how eMaint brings everything together in terms of the asset information. You can put the contract information in there. We have the contact information there for each vendor, all of our end users at this point. We have our site information in there, our asset type information. I've been able to build nomenclature guides, technical manuals, like I was saying, our SOPs, workflow documentation, all because the data is right there and everything is kind of connected together. I can make the table see what I need to see, connect it, do joins and things of that nature, and then boom, I'm able to create a whole handbook for what people are looking for. As far as building a report, it probably saves me, honestly, on my end anyway, about 10 hours of extra work. There's still some things that have to be configured in Excel and things of that nature, but it does save me a lot of time. Whereas before, I usually have to complete data tasks within like 48 hours. You know, I have like a 48-hour turnaround time. I can get things done in the same day now. So it saves me a lot of time.